Then these barriers that are connected to personnel or some organizational questions. They are mainly in three categories. First one is lack of resources, second is personal specific reasons, and the third has to do with third-party related things. And now first about lack of resources. Lack of professionally skilled employees, lack of specific and deep knowledge, lack of resources are understaffed, or the personnel is fully working at customer premises. Lack of selling power, limited capacity, no time, lack of relevant knowledge and skills inside the company. There can be lack of technological knowledge or lack of knowledge about markets. Then there was also lack of knowledge and lack of experience in specific areas, low market price, lack of human resources, and no full-time staff even in some organizations. For this type of barriers, there can be many possible ways to solve them. For example, rental personnel or temporary help in critical situations might help, but in the long run, only education and training will solve a shortage in knowledge and skills. This is especially true when outside recruiting is not possible and there is a shortage in the industry. Then you have to go outside your own region or maybe abroad to find the right skills. Some of the companies in the survey have done just this. Other possibilities include taking apprentices and teaching them to become skilled in the profession, as actually some companies are doing. In these organizational barriers, number 2 is change resistance among the employees. Or there are differences in the organization in terms of actors, experience, point of view, models of activity, and even the way of doing businesses, when the goal is that all should work together. So I think that is maybe not very surprising. It seems that quite many of our interviewed organizations, they have some kind of problem with how to make the whole organization and all employees, all the people working for the same kind of goal. The commitment of others, fears regarding the project continuation, resistance and or opposition from both employees and clients regarding changes, introducing new methods is always risk-taking and is sometimes hard to implement, difficult to coordinate, and many parties are involved here. Also, technological innovations can cause adaptation difficulties. Then the third innovational barrier connected to personnel or organizational structures is, you could describe it as sorry. Yes, the third thing you could describe it as kind of things that are coming outside the organization. For example, some examples of this are, for example, rigidity of collective labor agreements, bureaucracy, and unbalanced technical barriers, energy fluctuations, legislation, lack of flexibility in national legislative system, there can be problems with copyright protection or national level problems with getting software, etc., etc. Things that are these kind of things that are connected to the outside third parties are also hard to find an easy solution. The best and sometimes the only way is to cooperate with the third party, be it a local government institution, state agency, or labor organization. Only by participating in the dialogue and trying to explain your own views on the matter, you can bring a change to it. So this means that kind of factors that come outside your own organization, it seems that our interviewed companies and schools, basically the only way in trying to influence these kind of problems is somehow try to cooperate, discuss, explain, try to change these ideas or attitudes, or try to change the legislation, try to change different kind of instructions that are coming from the third parties. By working together with other businesses or organizations that share the same problems, you can become stronger and you have a greater chance to change the conditions that you perceive as a barrier. Actually, this reminds me quite a lot with this, about this cluster thinking and model of activity we were hearing about in the morning part of the day. But so at least according to these results, it seems that actually there seems to be some kind of understanding about this cluster type of cooperation with like-minded organizations or this kind of cooperation. So it may mean that this kind of operational form of forming clusters that work together, they actually might have a good future in our regions as well. There were also a great number of statements from these interviewed companies regarding financing and lack of money, and some of these financial barriers, they are hard to give any specific advice on. Sometimes a new and enhanced business plan can give the financier the confidence needed to open the strings of his purse. A sound plan that shows a steady flow of income, which in turn after careful spending will give a profit, that can be flowed into the business again. That kind of plan is always a good start because it shows that you have paying customers, you have where to spend the money, and by reinvesting the profits, you show you want to build your business and grow. That secures the financing because the financer can see a return on his investment in the company. Actually, this was kind of very surface, very surface of the results of this survey, and I hope that it gave you at least some idea what are our companies and schools thinking. But I just suggest, if you want to know more about this, please go to the internet and read the report, everybody who's interested. And one interesting thing is also that we have quite a lot of this material that has been collected from these interviewed companies and schools. It may be possible sometimes in the future to use this material also by some other way, because this survey was, I would say this was made by one consultant who of course has his own experience, his own ideas, how to collect and present this information that he is collecting from these interviews. There's a lot of material. If somebody is interested to see these materials, it is also possible. We do it so that we don't give any company or school name to the public, but the material is there. So if anybody is interested, please, you can contact me and we can see how to continue. Okay, this is all I can say, but I hope you got some kind of idea what has happened.